Hi Crypto Fatty channel. Yes Crypto Fatty followers, we continue where we left our video. Dynamic profiles and configurable forms. The development platform offered by us empowers any organization to easily create forms and fluidly deploy the same for multi-area usage. A good example being applications or request forms for different services that are intended to be provided by the organizations to consumers via our platform. While users will have access to the authenticated digital identities created in our environment thanks to our platform. Continuing from the above example, a user can visit the profile of these organizations and can apply for any of the various services available by digitally completing and signing an application form. As an added benefit, the platform also supports the forms to be filled automatically from the user's profile. Any document required for the purpose of the application can also be automatically attached from our digital wallet and submitted along with the signed form. Blockchain-based configurable forms. Lynked.world configurable forms. Lynked.world configurable forms through API. Organizations can use our configurable forms feature to create forms for various services being offered by them. Organizations can add these digital forms either to their own profile on Lynked.world or publish these forms on external platforms using our APIs. Whenever a user applies to any such service being offered within our platform, the digital form is automatically filled with data from the user's digital wallet. Any required documents are also automatically attached to the digital form. In case of applying for such a service hosted on an external platform, the data and documents are filled up after the user scans a QR code which encapsulates the details of the form and is visible on the external platform. The user then has to digitally sign the application form to complete the application process. The digital signature is also stored on the blockchain. Once applied, the required data along with the documents are submitted with the user's digital signature. The organization providing the service now receives the digital application with the requested documents and can also verify the authenticity of the identity, documents and signature on the application form directly on the blockchain. Design and issue of identity cards. Design and issue identity cards for your students and employees. Easy to design identity cards using delivered templates and drag-and-drop features. Issued identity cards are immutable and secure by design owing to the use of both blockchain and biometrics. Easily share identity using QR codes to get access to services and/or facilities. Protection from identity theft and misuse. Uses and benefits of digital identity. Access to premises. Attendance registration. Issuing books in library. Convenient and easy to use. For example, attendance can be registered by scanning a printed QR code. Paperless, digital identity on user's personal device. Environment-friendly and cost-saving. 1 consumer joins Lynked.world. 2 completes her identity verification on Lynked.world platform. 3 telecom service providers portal has an option to register for a new SIM card using Lynked.world digital ID. 4 On using this option, the user is greeted with a QR code that encapsulates the application form for a new SIM card along with the information about the required identity and other documents for the ICO process. 5 Consumer scans the QR code using Lynked.world app. 6 Consumer validates and authorizes the requested documents and data for the SIM card application. 7 Provided identity is verified against the blockchain via Lynked.world. 8 SIM card is issued and activated. Secure transactions. Our digital identity solutions greatly remove the risk of fraudulent online transactions by indisputably identifying a person harnessing the power of blockchain. Banks, financial organizations and even online retail services can leverage our application features to make sure that online payments, withdrawals etc., are authentic and not being done using lost or stolen cards and/or identities. An online transaction cannot be completed until a user confirms his/her digital identity using our Lynked.World mobile app, making transactions over the internet much more secure and trustworthy. Use cases. Real-life use cases. Check-in process in hotels. 1 hotel joins Lynked.World. 2 hotel generates QR code which encapsulates the identity and registration document requirements for check-in. 3 guest scans the QR code using Lynked.World app. 4 guest validates and authorizes the requested documents. 5 check-in process is now completed as guest submits the form with his/her digital signature along with the requested documents. Application for a new service, SIM card. Verified profile for professionals. A trustworthy professional network owing to the authenticity of the data and the digital profiles. Get professional credentials/certifications/projects verified by the source authorities issuing those credentials. Supports endorsement and recommendations for co-workers/colleagues. Subscribe to interested job postings, companies for staying up to date on news and new openings. Messaging within professional network. Create blogs, posts and surveys and get rewarded for your contributions. Participate in discussions and polls and get rewarded for your participation. Job portal. A job portal to identify and select authentic and trustworthy professionals, allowing users to subscribe to new openings from specific organizations. Removing any intermediaries for any background check as the identity and background can be verified directly in the platform. Rewards system for job referrals. Even the possibility for other job portals to advertise their current openings on our platform, and thereby take advantage of our built-in identity and credential check feature. We end the site promotion here. In the next video we will review the roadmap, white paper social media accounts in Team. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.